Hey everyone, JJ here. This is a listening practice video about Marvel Cinematic Universe. I've prepared questions throughout the video to test your listening skills. I suggest you pause the video when a question appears and rewind back before answering. Let's do this.
Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, is a big story about superheroes. It started with a movie called Iron Man in 2008. People liked it so much, they wanted more movies about Iron Man. Then came the big movie called The Avengers in 2012. They had lots of superheroes like Iron Man, Captain America, and Thor, who all worked together to save the world. Other superheroes got their own movies too, like Thor, Captain America, Doctor Strange, and Spider-Man. They would sometimes show up in other heroes' movies. The Avengers kept fighting bad guys like an evil robot named Ultron and a bad guy named Thanos. Thanos wanted to destroy half of all life in the universe, but the Avengers stopped him with the help of other heroes. The people who made the movies worked very hard to make them great. Fans all around the world love the MCU and can't wait to see what adventures the heroes will have next.